Welcome to the Ask Patrick series. Today's question is by Harsh Verma. The question is, how do I tackle the difficult questions that come in the mocks? So yes, you do have really difficult sums that come in the mock, which becomes very difficult to solve. You look at the solution, you don't understand. It's too long, too complicated, and you still don't understand what's happening. So normally in such kind of sums, check out. Okay, is the sum really relevant for cat? Because a lot of times in the mocks I've seen questions that would never come in the cat. Cat doesn't expect you to mathematical sums. So if the question sounds and the solution sounds really mathematical, you can just skip that sum. That's the easiest thing to do. Because anyway in the examination when you're going to solve, you're supposed to solve difficult. You're supposed to leave difficult sums. So any question that will take you a longer time. So unless a solution suggests a shorter way of solving, I don't think there's point to learn a very difficult sum unless you feel it is somewhere relevant or help you to solve a similar shorter sum as such. Because what happens is if you keep lingering on the difficult sums or keep thinking on the difficult sums, so you habituated to solve a difficult sum and it becomes really difficult to leave questions in that case. I mean, you're so habituated that I have to solve the sum, let me solve the sum, you get and then when you solve a mock or maybe even the actual cat, then you may find it little difficult to leave such questions. So in that case, normally I recommend, and I do that personally also. Whenever I find a very difficult sum which I don't understand, I see the solution. I check, is it really, possible to solve it easily? If I find the solution really difficult or concept which I don't understand and I don't think is relevant, I just leave it because understand the funda of CAT. CAT is a thinking based exam, not a mathematics based exam. So what they test you is, are you able to think through the sum? They don't check you on how much mathematics you have. You know, you can look at the questions that come in the past. They all are logic based problems. They don't have. They will have little mathematics, simple mathematics, what you've done in your school level, but nothing more complicated than that. And that's how CAT questions are framed. So the best thing to do, leave the question, learn to leave questions, and that is the best strategy even while solving the CAT paper. Any difficult sum that you get, learn to leave it quickly and solve the easy sums. But yeah, before you just leave it, go back and check, is the solution really difficult? Just glance through it and then decide whether you want to leave it or solve it. But yeah, my suggestion is not to linger too much on difficult questions because if that becomes a habit, you may face a problem in the CAT exam. Hope that helps. Thank you.